There's breaking news just coming in. Sources have indicated that intelligence agencies are now keeping a watchful eye on Chinese companies and investors, as many of them have close relationship with the PLA. Intelligence agencies are also preparing a list of such Chinese firms. Gaurav Sawant is breaking the story. He's now joining us live with the latest on this. Gaurav, it's interesting to note that this is a development that is coming in much needed. Intelligence agencies keeping an eye on Chinese companies and investors. Many of them have close relationship with the PLA. But the question is, there are many startups in India, many companies in India with venture capitalists and private equity funding coming in from Chinese investors as well. What about those?
So initially the government's effort is to find out which are the link either to Chinese army or to the Chinese government, because in a lot of these cases the Chinese government fronts these companies and gets into various countries. Now, for example, even Huawei and ZTE are under the scanner and have been outed. They've been ousted from 4G upgradation because of Huawei's links, and perhaps that could well be the reason if the government takes a final call on ousting Huawei from 5G in our country. But that remains, that's still in the realm of speculation of 5G just as yet. But ZTE, Huawei, even companies like TikTok, now a lot of information that they take from the end users is ultimately given, at least that is the apprehension, to the Chinese government. And as you well know, Chaiti, data is the new oil. So all the information about consumers is slowly funneled to the Chinese government or army, very importantly into artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence is one area where both the United States and China are racing for supremacy, and data from India, 1.3 billion strong country, could be a big boost to China. And that is why efforts are being made. The banning of the 59 apps is one part of the story. Effort is being made to find out which are the other such companies which could well be fronts of either the PLA or the Chinese government, Chaiti.
Oh, absolutely. Thanks much, Gaurav, for joining us with those details. Continue to stay with us right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.